Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name is Kemba, in case you were curious. Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name is Kemba, in case you were curious. Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name is Kemba, in case you were curious. Today, I have another CurlKit. It's not technically an unboxing because I already opened it, but I'm going to show you what was inside. I'm going to start right now by saying I definitely planned to get rid of my subscription, but I forgot. So here I am, December 17th, with another CurlKit. It's okay though. It's all right. It's all right. I'm gonna remember to cancel this time. Anyway, let me get into it. I'll start with, first of all, let me start with saying I've gotten 2 of these before in a CurlKit, and I had one of these 2 different times. Like, I used the container up twice. Anyway, let's just get to it. Just get to it. I'm gonna start with this Dynamic Do All Shine and Jam Shea Butter for hair and skin. What is this? I'm not gonna use something that I can put in my hair and on my skin in my hair. I'm not doing it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. And I already have one. I didn't even open it. Anyway, next. Now this I'm not too upset about because I've had it before, but I haven't bought another one because I have so many products. Like, it wasn't necessary for me to get this, even though this is a staple item. This is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture. This was like definitely one of my all-time favorites. Hopefully it still works with my hair because I've been trying a lot of new things, so it may not even like it anymore. We'll find out though. And then the third thing that I've already had before and haven't finished yet is the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk for Natural Hair Moisture Curl Hair Milk. I mean, this stuff is cool. It moisturizes your hair, you know, but it's not something that's like, I have to have this. Like, when I got this, I wasn't excited about it because I still have a ton left of my other one. I mean, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. I'll probably give it to one of my friends. A little extra Christmas gift or something. I don't know. But I'm not gonna use it. So next. The only new things that I've never owned before that was in my CurlKit are the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Line shampoo and conditioner. They both say that they're moisturizing, dry defense, and they're for dry, dehydrated hair. They have pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter with no sulfates or mineral oils. The conditioner has silicones, but the shampoo doesn't have silicones. So there's this. I mean, like, I'm so tired of getting shampoos and conditioners because I don't really use either. Like, if you're gonna give me a conditioner, send me the mask. What do I need this for if I have a mask? Like, now granted, this does say leaving your hair for 5 minutes. Apparently it helps to tangle or something like that, but so does all conditioner. Like, this was a very underwhelming CurlKit. As you can see in my face, I'm not that excited. So they just charged me. I'm not sure if they charged me after. I think they charged me after it's sent to me. Like, after I receive it, that's when they charge me. Possibly, I think. So I'm definitely going to cancel. I know I said that last month, but this time I'm serious. Like, I didn't realize it came too fast. Like, I wasn't prepared. So now I definitely am going to cancel because, first of all, the one thing that just gets me mad is, like, if you already sent it to me, why don't you have like an algorithm or something that's telling you, oh, she already got this? Or like, if it's already been out, like it's already been sent in anybody's CurlKit, why are you sending it again? Like, this is supposed to be new stuff. This line is barely new. Like, I feel like it's been out for like a year. Like, I don't, as you can see, I'm a little irritated because, like, really. But anyway, yeah. Do I want to continue CurlKit? No. Do I want to try CurlBox? Absolutely. If any of you have CurlBox, can you comment down below and let me know? Like, I'm curious, like, what kind of stuff you guys get, because I heard it's popping and you get like new things, and like they give you lines, they don't just give you random products. So I think I want to try that. But their waitlist is so freaking long. I've been on the waitlist for like 7 months. Like, come on. But yeah, don't plan on doing this CurlKit thing anymore. Probably my last CurlKit unboxing video. Thank you for watching my upsetting unboxing. Thank you for sitting here. I know you've been looking at my puff, sis. If you're curious about this puff, in the video prior, I did a Wetline Extreme wash and go, and this is a couple days later. Like, oh my, on who? On who? Like, anyway, sorry. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friend to tell a friend that we are here to stay. So, like, come back and see your girl. Make sure everybody else comes back and sees your girl, because like I'm just here dropping truthful knowledge on y'all. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.